Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update Alien Rogue without errors. I'll show you guys how to do it. Here is the update list. As you can see, 1.10, 2.10 and 8.10. You can't directly update this third version guys. Because if you updated this third version, then you will end up the game not launching problem. So you can only able to update it in a row 1, 2, 3 like. So first update, you just need to right click and select the WinRAR. Before doing this, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes and select minimize option. And this will prevent the missing files. So just right click on it and select the WinRAR and select the extract to option. After the extract done, open it, double click on the application, select more info and select run anyway option. Select yes option and select OK and select next, select the browse option and you just need to select the game installed location guys. In my case I saved in here as you can see game installed location, select the game folder and select OK option and then select next and you will get this message guys already exits. Select the yes option and select next and select install. And now you just need to uncheck both option and select finish option. And we can go for the second update 2.10. Just right click on it and select WinRAR and select the extract to option. After the extract done, open it. Double click on the application and select more info and select run anyway option. And select yes. Select OK option. Select next. Select the browse option and select the folder. Select the game folder and select OK and select next. And you will get this message. Select the yes option. Select next. Select install. Now uncheck this option and then select finish and now go for the third update 8.10. Just right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open it, double click on the application and select more info and select run anyway option. Select the yes option and select OK and select browse option and select the game folder and select OK and select next. Already exit, select yes option and select next and select install. Now uncheck both option and select finish and then right click on the game and select open file location. Right click on the application and select properties and go to details and if you can't able to see the game version updated then you just need to launch the game. The game opens up without having any problem and in some games it will be mentioned the game version in left or right but this game doesn't have anything listed but the game opens up without having any problem. I can't check whether the game is updated or not but it should update it guys. And now you just need to go to downloads and select all the updates and right click and select delete option and open the Windows security we minimized before and turn on the real-time protection and then just to close stuff here and you're good to go guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.